Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 10.3 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So in my case the Google Feeds are activated now and I'll show you how you can turn it off. So just press for a while with your finger on your main screen or to another screen, that doesn't matter, and you'll see here the home settings icon. Just tap here and as can you see here we got the show Google app switcher. To turn off the Google Feeds, just tap once on the switcher and now we will check that. Yes, can you see we just disable this function, and to turn on the Google Feeds now just tap again on the switcher and as can you see that's activated now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.